Hey, Roger the Real Deal Guy here. Yes, I know, I hear what you say. It's blue skies again. Are you making this up, Roger? Is that green screen behind you and you'll implement on? No, of course I'm not. I am here at Holiday Resort Unity because it's just glorious. What are we looking at today, I hear you ask? Well, I have got a stunning, double glazed, central heated, 37 foot long, 12 foot wide, 3-bedroom model for under £20,000. That's it. I can hear everyone prick up, look up. Yeah, I know. For under £20,000, you can own a holiday home here at Holiday Resort Unity, 15 minutes from the M5, with all the facilities you could possibly require here in the southwest. Swimming, theme parks, gyms, golf courses, fishing lakes, a beach just over the road, and of course all the entertainment you could have. What more could I hear you ask? You're intrigued now, aren't you? You want to go in and have a little look at what we've got. And it is the one right behind me here. It's the Willerby Westmorland. Let's go and have a look at this holiday. Wow, look at this. Look at all of this seating space. How fabulous is this? Great wraparound all the way through. What a social space. This is great for entertaining, but you've got dining, living, fireplace, as you can see, central heating, as I said, place for the TV or on there. Great amount of light flooding in through all the windows. Counters, full-size fridge freezer, lovely prep space, great amounts of storage in your kitchen. I mean, this is ticking some real boxes, isn't it? I mean, it is fabulous. And did I say in the couch is also your sofa bed, so this will happily sleep 8. Yes, 8. Right, come on, let's go down. So, first door on your right. Separate WC. Ideal, I hear you say. I know. Then the next door on the left. The first of the twins. Again, light floods in. Above bed storage. Good size singles. Bedside. Drawers and wardrobe. But look, it's got some space. It really is a lovely twin room. Right, opposite the twin. Oh look, we've got another WC, sink and shower room. Ideal. So you've got 2 toilets in this holiday home. I know that the boxes are really being ticked here. Then we go into the master. Again, lights flooding in. Great bedsides, above bed storage. But look at all the room. I mean, how much room have we got? It's fabulous. Great wardrobe. Storage. Little dressing table. Mirror. I mean, you got to admit, this really is a fabulous holiday home that's ticking so many boxes. And the final door is just the other bedroom. Again, lovely size. What more could you possibly want? I know. Then obviously we come back down, and again, just look at it. Look how well this room works. I mean, you can't complain of this. This really is ticking some amazing amounts of boxes. So this is the fabulous 2010 Willerby Westmorland, 37 foot long, 12 foot wide, 3-bedroom model. You walk in, you're met with the light that floods in through these windows and the massive wraparound couch. You've got the fabulous kitchen with great prep space and storage. 3 fabulous sized bedrooms, the master being a great size, the great main bathroom, and of course the separate WC as well, so it gives you 2 toilets in this holiday home, which really does tick so many boxes. And yes, as I said earlier, you get all of this for under £20,000 here at Holiday Resort Unity. It's that simple. So you know what you've got to do, and I know you're going to be doing it. You're going to pick up the phone and give me a call. 07493 098 497. Roger, I'm interested in this holiday home. I'm interested in other holiday homes. I'm just interested in holiday home ownership. How can I help? I am here to assist you in any way you can. Drop me a text and I'll call you back. Whatever suits you, I am here to help you. Or you can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. Give me your questions, anything else like that. My job is to find you the perfect holiday home here at Holiday Resort Unity. 15 minutes from the M5 is all we are, and you get your own little piece of heaven with some of the best facilities in the southwest. And don't forget, woo, this face is all over YouTube, so you know you've got to keep watching. Roger the Real Deal Guy is my YouTube channel. We've got an abundance of holiday homes on there. We're looking at what you can do and what's involved in holiday home ownership here at Holiday Resort Unity in Breen Country Club. Now, because that isn't a green screen outside and it is real sunshine, I'm going to go out and enjoy it. But please don't forget this, people. It's not a deal, it's of course it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.